In today's video, I will walk you through how to set price alerts on BingX. Want to know the moment your favorite cryptocurrency reaches a specific price? Instead of constantly checking the market, you can let BingX notify you automatically with price alerts. Let's get started. First, open BingX and sign into your account. Next, tap Markets or go directly to Spot Trading, then search for the cryptocurrency you'd like to monitor, such as BTC to USDT, ETH to USDT, or any other trading pair. Open the trading page for that asset. On the trading screen, look for bell icon. Tap it to open the price alert settings. If you don't immediately see the option, check the chart menu or the additional tools section, as the location may vary. Now enter the price level you want to monitor. For example, you might want to receive a notification when Bitcoin rises above $120,000 or drops below $115,000. Choose the alert conditions such as price above or price below, then confirm your settings. Double-check the target price before saving the alert to ensure it's exactly what you want. After saving, your alert will appear in your list of active price alerts. From here, you can edit the target price, disable an alert temporarily, or delete it entirely if you no longer need it. Be sure to enable notifications for the BingX app on your phone so you'll receive alerts as soon as your price conditions are met. Price alerts are a great way to stay informed without watching the charts all day, helping you react quickly when the market reaches your target price. And that's how you set price alerts on BingX.